this right here is my RC car, and I got a dirt spot over there, so we're just gonna drive it. This is the thing for it. I got this RC car. It's kind of hard to steer and film. So let's see how, so let's get this ring straight. I think that's good right there. So let's see if we can get it all the way across there. Alright, that's cool. So I made it right here about this cord. Now, let's see if we can make it through this grass. Okay, it's kind of getting a little stuck at the deep end right here. But yeah, this is the RC car right here. It's really nice. Metal, it's like, the tires are really good on it. It's got cage, it's got top. It looks like a real dune buggy. The front, I like the front style. The front is very cool. It's got small tires in the front. The suspension is pretty good on it. It does not do that to good in grass. Let's see what my dog thinks about it. So let's see what my dog thinks about it. There's my dog right there. Gonna do it for today's YouTube video. See you guys tomorrow.